Hello everyone! Welcome to this video lesson. Stay tuned and you will learn mathematics in just few minutes. In this lesson, we are going to discuss simple interest. I'm going to present to you the different formula and how problems are solved applying simple interest. So let's begin. To find the future value or maturity value denoted by a capital letter F, use the formula F is equal to P plus I, where P is the present value or principal and I is the interest earned. Or you may also use the formula F is equal to P times the quantity 1 plus RT if the value of interest is unknown, where P is the present value or principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time in years. To find the interest, use I is equal to PRT, present value or the principal times rate times the time. To find the principal or present value, use T is equal to I over RT. For rate, R is equal to I over PT, and for the time, T is equal to I over PR. Now we will apply those formula in solving word problems. Let us take problem number 1. Karekok deposited 5,000 in a bank paying 9% simple interest for 3 years. How much will he have in his account at the end of 3 years, assuming that no withdrawal was made? First thing to do is identify the needed information to solve the problem. One is deposited 5,000, then 9% simple interest, and we also have 3 years. And the question that we need to answer is, how much would he have in his account? Based from the given question, we are going to find the future value or maturity value. Now list down all the given data to solve the problem. The formula to be used is F is equal to P times the quantity 1 plus RT. Substitute the given to the formula. First, multiply 0.09 times 3. So we have F is equal to 5,000 times the quantity 1 plus 0.27. Second, add 1 and 0.27. That will give us F is equal to 5,000 times 1.27. And lastly, multiply 5,000 and 1.27. Thus, the future value or maturity value is 6,350 pesos. Let's proceed to problem number 2. Inza Cook invested 75,000 in the stock market, which guaranteed an interest of 11,250 pesos after 1.5 years. At what rate would her investment earn? Again, identify the given. We have invested 75,000 pesos, an interest of 11,250 pesos, 1.5 years or 1.5 years. In this problem, we are looking for the rate of interest. Here are the given. Now use R is equal to I over PT to find the rate of interest. Let's now substitute the given to the formula. Multiply 75,000 and 1.5 first. So we now have R is equal to 11,250 divided by 112,500. Then divide. That will give us 0.1 or 10%. Therefore, the rate of interest is 0.1 or 10%. Problem number 3. How long will it take 24,000 pesos to increase to 30,000 pesos if the simple interest is 6.5%? Here are the given. 24,000 pesos, or the present value or the principal. We also have 30,000 pesos, the future value or maturity value. And 6.5% or the rate of interest. The question is, how long will it take? Therefore, we are going to solve for the time. So P is equal to 24,000, F is equal to 30,000, and I is equal to 6,000. You might be wondering, how did we get an interest of 6,000? Since 24,000 has increased to 30,000, then 6,000 was added to 24,000. Or just simply subtract the principal from the future value to get the interest. If R is equal to 6.5% or 0.065, what is T? Now use T is equal to I over PR to solve the problem. Then substitute, multiply 24,000 and 0.065. We now have this equal to 6,000 over 1,560. Simplify. Thus, T is equal to 3.85 years or 3 years and 10 months. To get the exact number of years and months, multiply 0.85 by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. The answer is 10.2 or approximately 10. That is why we get 3 years and 10 months. Problem number 4. On March 20, 2016, Tom borrowed 36,000 from Jerry. He promised to pay the principal and 11.75% simple interest on November 20, 2016. How much will Jerry receive on the said date? How much is the interest? So these are the needed information. On March 20, 2016 to November 20, 2016, that is approximately 8 months, borrowed 36,000 and 11.75% simple interest, and the questions are, how much is the interest and how much will Jerry receive on the said date? In this case, we are going to solve for the interest and for the future value. Here are the given. T is equal to 8 months over 0.67 year. Take note, time must always be in years. So convert 8 months into years. Do it by dividing 8 months by 12 since there are 12 months in a year. That is why we acquired 0.67 year. P is equal to 36,000. R is equal to 11.75% or 0.1175. Here are the solutions. To get the future value, just add the principal and the interest. So F is equal to 38834.10. Lastly, we have problem number 5. When invested at an annual interest rate of 7%, an amount earned 11,200 pesos of simple interest in 2 years. How much money was originally invested? Again, these are the needed information to solve the problem. And how much money was originally invested? So we are going to solve for the present value or the principal. These are the given. Use the formula, then substitute. Multiply 0.07 and 2, and finally, divide. If you learned something from this video, please consider subscribing or like and follow our Facebook page. Thanks for watching!